Hello guys, in this video, we're going to see how to block YouTube ads while playing YouTube videos using a Chrome extension for free while you are watching a YouTube video. You are getting disturbed by ads like this. So to block YouTube ads, you need to install the AdGuard extension in your Chrome browser. To install this extension, open a new tab and type Chrome Web Store in the search field. Press Enter key. Now, click the Chrome Web Store link. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store, type AdGuard on the search box and select the first option that appears. Now, select the AdGuard Ad Blocker extension. This is the official AdGuard Ad Blocker extension. Here, click the Add to Chrome button. Now, click the Add Extension button. Yes, the AdGuard Ad Blocker extension is installed on your Chrome browser. Now, go back to your YouTube tab and refresh the page. See, all the ads on this page are blocked successfully. That's all guys. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos. Thanks for watching.